Hi, I'm Marilyn from Flint and Steel, Borneo. I'm a graphic designer and an art event director of the Small Town Art Market. Every year, we look forward to this time of the year. It has always been a time to wind down, reflect, give thanks and give back. Today's a new day. This year, we are honoured to be given the opportunity to work with WYNKA on this project and to contribute to the Kuching Autistic Association, Sarawak Children's Cancer Society and SOS Kids. We have been so overwhelmed by the love and support from the community out there, our followers who have come on board to support this project of ours. It means so much to us. We hope our little efforts will bring immense joy, love and comfort to those who are in need as we celebrate this season.